Hello friends, let us see how to install React app in Visual Studio. For that, first you need to download the uh, Node.js. Node.js is very important for us. Why? Because in React apps, whatever we download the packages that will be from Node Package Manager. For that reason, we require the Node. For that, just type the Node.js download in your Chrome. In that, the first suggestion, just open it and click on. As you can see, Windows, Mac users and source code, you can see in that my operating system is Windows, so I am downloading it. So you can download according to your operating system. Just click on download button, that gets downloaded. After downloading the Node.js, just open it from your downloads. You can see here it's opening, and click on next and click on I accept the terms in license agreement. Don't change here anything, just click on next, click on next, click on next, and click on install. Just wait for some time, it will take some time to install. Okay, just be patient. Yes, you can see here now our download is completed, installation procedure is completed. Click on finish. To check whether it is installed or not perfectly, just go to first thing, yeah, go to command prompt, cmd, enter, click on node -v to check the version of the node, that is v18.16.0. To check the npm version, click on click, type npm space -v, that is 9.51. You can see here our node is downloaded correctly. And next thing you have to do is open the node.js application. In that, open file location. It will take the file location where you have downloaded, and the location path is here. Copy this path, and what you do means in the environment variables, edit system environment, open it, click on environment variables, click on the path. Here you can see the path, click on edit button. You can see here already my node.js path is there. Here under that, what you do means whatever the downloaded path is there, you give here. Okay, and click ok, click ok, that's it. Next, what we do means we download the Visual Studio, it's IDE. We download that thing. Okay, Visual Studio download for Windows 10. You can see here the second one, Visual Studio Code. Just download the Windows one or else Mac, whichever your need. Mine is Windows, so I'm downloading it. The downloading is also started. Let us download it. It takes some time. Okay, just wait for that. After downloading it, just open in your downloads and click on VS Code setup, that will get open. Open it. You can see click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click next, next, create a desktop icon. I want to make it, that's your wish, up to you. And click on next, install. Just wait for some time, it will get installed. Click on finish. Automatically it launches the Visual Studio for you. Yes, you can see here it has launching the Visual Studio for us. And next thing what I'm going to do means we are downloading the extensions. Okay, for that this is the extensions icon. Click on it. For us the required mainly for the basic extensions for us, for the first one is live server. To run the code in our Chrome or Firefox, whatever the browser, uh, to see to do live coding. For us, the live servers is required, and the next thing is ES7 React Redux and simple React snippets and Prettier. These four things are required. In my system already these four things are installed, so please install. The installation procedure is very easy. Just click on type the name here of live server or whatever the extension names here. It automatically there will be some suggestions, and if it is not installed here there will be install, or else you can do this. Okay, and next thing is please download all the four extensions that I have mentioned. And the next Prettier is required to make the code to look in a proper order or proper spacings and indentations. For that we require the Prettier. And these simple React snippets, these are required to automatically to save our time. Generally we use this, these are the boilerplates. For that purpose we use the simple React snippets extension and ES7 plus React Native snippets. Okay, that's it. And let us create one sample project. Let me go to documents. In the documents I want to create a folder called as React project. Okay, it is created. And next thing is let me open that location, open folder. And next thing is in the documents, my folder name is React project. In that select folder, that will get open. Yeah, and next thing is the open terminal. New terminal. Yeah, we are inside the React project. Now we are going to create a React project. For that the command is npx create hyphen react hyphen app space and the project name what you wanted to keep. For example, I want to keep it as project hyphen one and click enter. This will this downloads the node modules and whatever the required dependencies for to build the project. Okay, I think some error I got. Npx create, sorry, create from create, sorry, the you can see here I had typed the spelling mistake, so let us correct it. Create, the spelling is after t it should be e. Now click enter. or for sometimes it happens. Yeah, now it is building successfully. You can see it takes some time. Please be patient. Yeah, now you can see here the project React project has built successfully. Now let us enter into the project. Our project name is CD project one. Yeah, now we have entered into it. And next thing is, let us see what are the install. You can see here the node modules public file src in this we have the index.js. This is, let us run this. What happens, you can see npm start. You can see our project is going to start successfully. It takes some time. Why? Because my system is a little bit has become very little bit slow. Yes, you can see here the project has run successfully. Okay, this is how you can start. You are doing projects and creating React projects. Thank you.